Today I'm playing Five Hearts Under One Roof, and it was what the fuck? Why is this an option? Interesting to say the least. Let's get into it. Okay, bro. Subtitles are on, right? Oh yeah. Okay.
시끄러워 죽겠네 진짜. 너 때문에 잠 다 깼잖아.
You woke me up.
뭐래?
I don't give a fuck
남이서 알람을 맞추던 말이야.
if he sets the alarm or not. Set clock in like you hired by them.
야
Oh,
우유만
please get their Discord for me, please.
알람은 왜 맞추는
You're
거야?
not serious. You're not serious. You're not serious,
뭐
bro.
어때?
This is the first time, so what's the big deal? So what's the that's my life. Okay, dude. Let's see.
어 깜짝이야.
Oh, you scared me. Why the fuck?
빨리 일어나야지.
So we just waking up with random girls under our bed?
근데 우리 집에 있는 거냐고.
If you not good, then die. If you not ball hog, then die.
설마.
Nigga, why he so shy for, bro?
Huh?
Oh, hell nah. We know you not ball hog DEO. Okay. Is DEO? Like what?
엄마 아빠 어디 가?
You doing mom and dad?
엄마 아빠.
Mom and dad are going on a business trip for 2 months.
이거 줄 테니까.
Here's something for you to take care.
또 출장 가?
What them niggas give me, bro?
예만 아빠, 얘 소심해서 이런 거 못할 것 같은데.
사내 자식이 나이가 곧 30인데
You almost 30?
그걸로 용돈벌이 하고 있어. 집 잘 지키고. 자 갑시다.
How do I feel insulted?
엄마,
Why
아빠.
do I feel insulted? Hayao Atsusan. Atsu. What?
하숙집?
What's that boy just called you a bum? Bro, my own dad, bro.
너무 잘 잤다.
My own dad, bro. That shit's diabolical, bro. Like, what the fuck I do?
11시? 아 오늘 면접 이력서도 뽑고 가야 되는데. 아 정장은 여기.
How he
있고.
know you a bum in real life too? Okay, bro. Fuck you.
아
let's
넥타이
feed
어디
that ass,
갔어?
bro. Alright, bro. Oh, we don't got a choice. Alright. Let's see. Yada yada, I guess I'm left to riz them all. Only 7. Okay, bro.
밍밍
Dead
오늘
ass.
면접
Cheer me
잘
on
볼수 있어.
so I can do well.
응원해줘.
This nigga just asked a poster to cheer him on. Dead ass, you bought the whole game? Yo, bro. Show me.
말숙이
So
이때는 참
was so cute back
귀여웠는데.
then.
아 오늘 이것도 붙여야 되는데
Parents for an arm.
시간이 될까?
Reminds me of someone I know. Nigga, what? Nigga, it's not me. Men's handwritten letter. Someday I give this to you, Ming Ming. Lurk, thank you for the lurk, buddy. It's me. Bruh. Let's go to the attic. I got MC Aura. I guess you got main character
저기
Aura.
뭐가 있길래 엄마 아빠가
Never let
어디
me go in there since I was a
돌아다니니까.
kid. Type.
뭐지?
What's in there? No, it's Rin's because the character's such a loser.
뭐야?
Alright, bruh.
우유가 벌써 다 떨어졌어.
We're already out of milk. I'm not a fucking loser, bro. Like, y'all not serious, bro.
아 늦었다 진짜. 어? 아 이게 왜 여기 있어?
Why is this here?
웃기네, 진짜.
Like, what am I doing? What are we doing, bro? Like, when do we get to the action, bro? Where to? Shit, man, pissing me off, bro. Man, I'm running
이거 지금
late.
빨리 면접
Just
보러
gotta
가야
stick to
되는데.
this on the dash to the interview.
어디가 좋지? 아, 여기가
This might go up on YouTube. This might be a gameplay, chat. Say hi to YouTube. He's going out and getting a job.
아 이렇게
Yeah,
붙이는 게
bro.
많아?
Just stop what you're about to say before you say it. This loser ass character already doing more than you. Alright, bro.
할머니
Grandma. What the fuck? Wait, where the fuck you come from? Where you putting that
다들
here?
이렇게 하던데요?
안 된다니까.
왜요?
어른이 안 된다고 하면 안 되는 줄 알지. 뭘 이렇게 말이 많아?
그럼 딱 이틀만
Who
붙이면
the fuck she
안 될까요?
thinks she is, bro? I'm wondering if that means I'm
이틀이야.
under a roof with 5 of my functions.
두고 볼 거야 내가.
Guys can join the harem. Guys can join the harem is crazy. No, because guys can join the harem is crazy. That's fucking insane work.
Hi.
Bro, I want the grandmas
아,
too.
손님 블랙이거든요.
Hey, customer, you're on the blacklist here. Get lost.
아 나가라고.
Man. Freak. Hi. Freak, I stuttered, bro. Okay, bro. This nigga does this. What's your business? There's not a timer on this. I don't think I have any other indicators. Nah, we gonna do the nice approach. Like she gonna fuck with this. She gonna be like, no, come back, type shit. Like, just wait. No.
알았어.
뭐야?
Oh, I did it.
근데 너 양복은 뭐야?
What's with
어디
that suit? Don't worry about it. Yo, Gummy, don't worry about it, bro. It's an inside joke. It's an inside joke.
뭐? 밀크 코퍼레이션?
No corporation.
네가?
그래서
Yeah, you def know about.
좀 하려고.
Yo, what's good, Nervy? How's your day, buddy?
와서
Yeah, you did.
뽑던가.
Yeah, cause you def know what to say to girls. All right, bro. You fucking dickhead, bro. Fuck you, bro. Where to?
응?
How's your day,
이게
Nervy?
뭐야?
아 줘.
하숙집? 이게 뭐지?
아 달라고.
이거 너네 집 주소잖아.
아유 엄마 아빠 출장.
Nigga, how is she
갔는데
outreaching you?
그동안 남은 방들 하숙으로 쓰라고.
Hold on. She hit him with the come get it. Come get it. Like, what the fuck is this, bro?
하시네.
야 안돼. 거기는 아지트란
Cool, how we
말이야.
feeling? I'm just chilling, buddy. Playing this game and
우리 집이
shit.
왜네 아직도?
Why is your house hanging out spot?
그래서 진짜 하숙집 하게? 그러면 나도 들어갈래.
돈 내야지.
You gotta pay.
치사
Okay.
하긴.
It's so stingy.
나 시간 좀 뜨는데.
Yeah, I've got time to kill. Can you play Milk Girl song?
너가 그렇게 백날 첫날 들어봤자 걔네들은 너 숨쉬는 거 조차 모르거든.
Hey, Sugoi Kawaii. What's good, Inka?
어? 어. 고말수. 또 놀고 있네.
Slacking off again.
왜 왔어?
Why are
일
you
안
here
바빠?
again? Aren't you
야
busy with work?
바빠도 너 보러 온 거지.
Tell me to go. Okay, y'all glazing each other, bro.
알바 금방 끝나지.
Your shift ends soon, right?
안녕하세요.
야 넌 아침부터 여기 왜 있냐?
저 면접 이력서 좀.
I need to print my resume for
Yeah,
an
그거
interview.
면접
I don't
맨날
know
떨어지고 왜
why,
그러냐?
but these games are low-key
그냥 우리 회사
trippy for
와가지고
me.
청소나 하라니까.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah,
내가
that
알바
is
시급
true.
세게 쳐줄게.
I'll pay you well. Nigga, don't talk to me.
어? 남대문 열렸다.
어디?
아, 소류캔.
어서.
Nigga just said, okay, bro. In front of the hus. How are you a bitch? Focus, bro. No. This is bad looks. Like, cause why did Dad stop streaming? The bid? Who?
어이. 방금 그거 뭐냐?
그게 그게.
Oh, nah. Us don't fuck with me no more, bro. Those don't fuck with me no more, bro. This really how Dior versus Ren's finna go in real life. No, the Us don't fuck with me. Are you fucking serious right now, bro? Alright, bro. I
Yeah.
fucking hate that command. Look
야
at push
저
over
뭐
to you.
보이냐?
그게 이력서 가져갈게. 아, 그걸 피하네.
Wow, you dodged that.
아, 면접 늦겠다.
No, I'm gonna be late for the interview.
어, 택시다.
No, or man. She fell with
Taxi!
Ren's mod.
택시.
택시.
Nah. I gotta impress her, bro. I can't do that. I don't care, bro. I'm going back.
야,
하긴.
저 청소를 잘 못해.
She vote with that? I don't even know what I did. What the fuck I do?
저 청소를 잘 못해서 괜찮아요.
남자 새끼가
You
패기가
gotta show me,
없어.
show some guts.
어?
Straight loser.
괜찮은데.
Now raise her nicely.
Yeah.
Kiss him.
내가 너 때렸냐? 아 어깨 좀 피고.
아 오빠 왜 이래?
Hey, why are you
그만해.
scaring the kid? Cut it out.
너 이거
No, why she
defend?
defended me, bro?
말씀
Why
안-
she defended me?
나 간다.
shit. She
면접
pressed
늦겠다.
your ass. She called you a kid.
택시다. 택시.
No, but that don't mean anything
택시!
though. Like, Chad, that don't mean
택시!
anything though.
맞다.
뭐야?
저 강남역으로 가주세요.
아 뭐예요?
지금 뭐 하세요?
아니 이거 제가 잡은 거잖아요.
뭐래? 빨리 문 안 닫아요?
아니 제가 잡았다니까요. 기사님 저보고 오신 거죠? 그쵸?
Nah. Oh hell nah. She lil bro'd you. On my fave. Oh well, ni hao fine shit. Okay.
뭐야? 씨. 아니 뭐 하세요?
What are you doing right now?
제가 택시비 낼게요.
아니 누가 돈이
It's
없어서
not
그래요?
about the money.
기사님 출발해 주세요.
아침부터 피곤하게 하네.
What language did I just use?
감사합니다. 아 오늘 제가 진짜 중요한 면접이 있는데
Chinese.
이거 늦으면 좀
Oh,
여보세요?
this Korean.
엄마.
Oh my.
엄마가 그렇게 말해도 나
If you say that,
다시
I'm
안
not going back
들어가.
home.
아니 아빠 사업 때문에 하는 결혼 하기 싫다고.
Nigga getting in arranged marriages? That shit's crazy,
집
bro.
구하면 다시
Oh, nah.
연락할게.
Bro, what if I upload this and then I don't edit it?
그게
미친 거 아니야?
아니
But
저
you-
차가 갑자기 그쪽으로 하니까
손이나
Arranged
떼고 말하지.
marriage? What?
어,
And y'all say yo fine shit. That's so Ren's like. Nigga. Like nah, niggas think I'm a white knight. I know you
기사님,
be doing that
감사합니다.
shit. Okay, bro. Yeah, fuck you, bro.
뭐야? 어디 갔지?
Where did? So weird, bro. Like what? I didn't do shit, bro.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 처음 뵙는 분 같은데
I don't
어떻게
think we met.
오셨죠?
What brings you here?
저 오늘 여기 면접 보러 왔습니다.
아, 그렇군요. 좋은 결과가 있길 바랍니다.
네, 감사합니다.
Okay.
면접 시작할까요? 자기소개부터 해주세요.
네,
Please introduce yourself.
밀크 코퍼레이션의 밝은 미래 내가 이끌어가겠다. 안녕하세요, 전략팀에 지원한 우유만입니다.
No, I'm getting in, bro. She fuck with me. I'm getting
할
in.
테니까 잘 따라오긴 하셨으면 좋겠네요.
Oh geez, no, I'm getting in, bro.
네,
I'm getting in the company, bro. She fuck with me, bro.
자자, 그럼 질문을 드릴게요. 달리기를 하는 3명이 있습니다. 그때 결승선 앞에서 3등이 2등을 제쳤다면 과연 그 3등은 몇 등을
Wait, what
했을까요?
did he say?
이등입니다
Oh.
100을 반으로 나누고 또 2분의 1로 나누면 어떻게 될까요?
What is that, bro? It's me in between the. Oh, okay, bro. Okay, bro. Wait, what did you say? I didn't even. That's not fair, bro.
자자, 그럼
2등입니다.
100을 반으로 나누고 또 2분의 1로 나누면 어떻게 될까요?
I'm not even looking. Slow shit of doom. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm paying attention to other shit, bro. Now we're taking
50입니다.
Gummy's advice, bro. Yeah. Yeah, that nigga did not fuck with me. I'm about to get stabbed. And GT.
그럼 오늘 면접은 여기까지 할게요. 수고했어요, 다들.
아, 네. 네.
수고했습니다.
I mean, nothing. Yo, nigga, I'm trying to look at chat, bro. Like,
엉망이네.
I guess, bro, you're cooked.
이딴 스펙으로 잘도 들어올 생각을 했네요. 면접자 제대로 안 걸을 거예요?
죄송합니다.
됐고 그냥 이 사람으로 뽑고 자리 마련해 주세요.
I got hired. I got hired. I'm him.
저 된 건가요?
네. 내일부터 출근하세요.
그래도 합격이니까 잘 된 거 맞겠지?
Nah, I'm in, chat. Chat, I'm in. Chat, I'm in. Nah, like, nah. I want steak. Now, let's see what mom wants first real quick, bruh. Make sure you eat properly. Don't stay up too late playing games. Okay, and don't even think about going up to the 3rd floor. What's on the 3rd floor, bruh? Oh, I can't type back. Okay. I want steak. If you get the job, treat me to something. Why should I? I want steak. Do you finish your interview? How did it go? I got it. For real? We need to have a drink. Oh, she wants steak. Oh, she wants steak. All right, bro. And I just got a signed Milk Girl CD. Big deal. Okay. That's the end of that. Low seller. Yes, it's authentic. It's still available. Can I meet you anytime today? Wait, what are we trying to? I saw you listening to Middle Market. Is that signed Milk Girl's album still for sale? Is there a real signed CD? Still available. Can I meet anytime today? How about 5 p.m. near Gangnam Central Park? Okay. Max Rin's got. Is it a little turkey sausage? You got the Osama-san shit. Yo, wait, was that you? I don't remember. You were the one telling me about the leak yesterday, right?
대박이다.
You were like, nah, you know about that Osama-san leak? I was like, his music? Osama-san is huge. Okay, bro. Too big.
혹시 저분인가?
This nigga watching a kid while trying to give me fucking
저 혹시
collectibles.
토마토?
아이디 올리밀크님?
아, 네 맞아요.
Got a little
이름이
weeby.
우유만이라.
Name's Yuman. Okay.
여기 사인 CD요.
Here's the signed CD.
감사합니다. 아, 이거 가지고 있는 사람 진짜 많지 않은데.
Rin's dreads are bigger.
아,
Okay,
예,
bro.
돈이요.
네.
와, 드디어 얻었다. 대박 밍밍 사인.
저기요.
네?
근데 얘네가 그렇게 좋아요?
밀크걸스요? 하, 그럼요. 제 인생의 덕질은
My whole
밀크걸스뿐이거든요.
world. Okay. What the fuck? Why is this an option? Why is this an option? Ask for a photo. Drop your pants, bro. Yeah, that shit's not happening. I'm gonna play dumb.
밀크걸스 밍밍. 한테는 이거 사인 언제 받으신 거예요?
아, 좀 됐어요.
Drop them draws, bro.
아무튼,
Skip this
앨범
bullshit, drop the
감사합니다.
pants. No,
안녕히
bro,
가세요.
no, bro. We're not doing that bullshit. We're
와,
not doing that, bro.
대박.
I gotta sign
밍밍 닮은 팬한테 사인 CD 받았다. 와, 대박이다. 와.
Gets to a point. Yeah, bro.
밀크걸스. 와.
I just want more
올해 운
clips
다
on me.
썼다.
What's this, bro?
어?
The fuck?
어?
Nah, I don't like that. Why the fuck is
무슨
this
소리가
nigga making noise
나는데?
around me? Right alley. I know what I'm doing, bro. Yeah, bro.
고양이잖아.
What is that emote, bro? Oh, meow.
할머니가 뜯진 않으셨네.
Didn't take it down.
뭐야? 누가 뜯어가긴 뜯어가는구나.
Someone must be taking these after all.
아,
This shit boring, bro. Go back to drop your pants. I'm not dropping my fucking pants, bro. Like shit, bro. Like, what do I look like to you?
분명 문 잠갔는데 문이 왜 열려 있지?
Obviously you didn't, dumbass nigga. Fuck up out of here, bro.
뭐지?
You forgot to lock the door.
아이씨.
L streamer. Like what?
제로다.
So Melatonin, you tell me if you was playing this, you would go back and press drop the pins. Say on your life you would do that shit. On God, I dropped them pants. All right, bro. All right, YouTube. This was the first chapter. I hope y'all fuck with this. I'll be streaming some more of this. More videos dropping soon. Yeah, bro. Y'all have a good day, man. Y'all have a good day. Peace.